So other benefits, it's FDA approved, so you can be rest assured that it's safe and effective. And one of the things that I didn't really appreciate that was so amazing that as I've started to work with patients with this technology is that it helps me to identify the root cause while I'm treating. And that is such a valuable tool because when you get an MRI or you get an X-ray, things can show up on that technology that it doesn't necessarily relate to the reason you have pain. Like almost everybody as they get older will have something show up on MRI or X-ray that doesn't necessarily correlate with why you have your pain. It can, but not necessarily. So this, because it's interactive right in the moment that we're treating as well, it's really a game changer because we can get deep into places where we weren't able to before as a physical therapist. While we're in the treating process, helps with our evaluation assessment process to, when we do our physical therapy portion, to know where the root problem is and to know what might relate to it. Because sometimes people will have radiating pain that they feel at one place, but there could be a root area that's contributing to that you don't recognize. You just have the pain in one spot, so you think that's where it's coming. It's not always the case. So when you combine this with physical therapy, it's a game changer for that reason, because it helps to have it fast tracks the successful outcome that we can have with musculoskeletal issues. And it improves your quality of life because you're able to return to your activities you love sooner. So that's a bonus.